Binomial quadratic surd. Binomial means an expression in which two terms are there. The sum or difference of two numbers, one of which is quadratic surd. The other either a non-zero rational number or a quadratic surd is called binomial quadratic surd. Binomial means an expression in which two terms are there in addition or in subtraction. Quadratic surd means what? Quadratic surd means the surd whose order is 2. That surd is called quadratic surd. Square root of 2, square root of 7, square root of 11, square root of 13. All these numbers have order 2. That's why all these are quadratic surds. Very simple. If order is 2, then it is the quadratic surd. Now we see by example the explanation of this. What about the first? One of which a quadratic surd. That means in that binomial, out of two terms, one must be a quadratic surd. See in all these examples, one surd is quadratic surd. That means one term is a quadratic surd. This is a quadratic surd, 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 quadratic surd, quadratic surd. What about the second? That means what about the second term? The other either a non-zero rational number. The condition for the second number is it is a rational number. Either it is a rational number or a quadratic surd. The first three examples I have written here in which the rational number I have used. First condition is first member, one of the members should be a quadratic surd. And what about the other? It be a rational number or a quadratic surd. In the first three examples, I have given the rational number 3, 5, 4. These are rational numbers. Now some examples I have written in below in which I have given the quadratic surd as a second term. That means in these three examples, both are quadratic surds. Yes, and all these are called binomial quadratic surds. Conjugate pairs. Then what is the meaning of conjugate pair? Pair means two binomials are there. Pair means two. A pair of binomials that are exactly same. Pair of binomials. This is the first and this is the second. This is the first one pair. A pair of binomials, it is the first binomial, it is the second binomial. Binomial means two terms are there. A pair of binomials that are exactly same, just they differ by sign only. That means terms are same, just sign is different. Square root of 5 minus square root of 2 and square root of 5 plus square root of 2. Terms are same, the sign is different, are called conjugate pairs. 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Binomials are same, they differ by sign only, are conjugate pairs. 2 root 3 minus root 2 and 2 root 3 plus root 2. Yes, the terms are same. First terms are same, second terms are same, but the sign is different. These are called conjugate pairs. Why we are learning these conjugate pairs? Because these are useful for rationalization. Now see here, product of two conjugate binomials. Conjugate binomials, that means it is the first binomial and conjugate of this binomial is this. Terms are same, they differ by sign only. If minus is in the first, then choose the conjugate with plus sign. That means in the middle, minus sign is here. And its conjugate is square root of 5 plus square root of 2. And the product of these two. We are learning about the product of two conjugate binomials. Use the formula identity a plus b into a minus b or a minus b into a plus b. And that identity is equal to a square minus b square. The expansion of that identity is a square minus b square. That means first term square minus second term square. First term is square root of 5 its square minus square root of 2 its square. A square minus this is b square. The square of this square root of 5 means 5 only. And square root of 2's square means 2. Then one question arises, how the square of square root of 5 is 5? Very simple. Square root of 5 whole square means write down this 2 times in multiplication. Yes, we have seen the rule of multiplication of the surds. If both have same order, then we can write down them in a single radical sign. And we get a square here. And for the square root of this is 5. That means the square root of 5 is 5. Like that, the square root of 2 is 2. 5 minus 2 means 3, and it is a rational number. That means these conjugate pairs are useful for rationalization. Actually, these are surds. But the product of these two is a rational number. That means it is a rationalization process. Now the second. 3 square root of 2 plus square root of 2, it is the first binomial, and the conjugate pair of that is 3 square root of 2 minus square root of 2. If plus sign is there, then choose the conjugate pair with negative sign. If it is minus in the first, then choose the plus. If it is plus in the first, choose the minus in the second. And the product of these two. Terms are same, a plus b into a minus b. And the identity, the expansion of that is a square minus b square. First term square minus second term square. This is the second term square. A square minus b square. Yes, it is the rational part, and the square of that is 9. And this is the irrational part, and the square of that, just we have seen that its square is 2. Minus as it is. Square of this irrational part is minus 2. 9 2s are 18, minus 2 means it is 16, and it is a rational number. The product of two conjugate binomial surds is a rational number. Or the product of conjugate pairs of binomial surds is a rational number. Each binomial surds in the conjugate pair is the rationalizing factor of the other. That means the rationalizing factor of this binomial is this, and the rationalizing factor of this binomial is this. That means both are rationalizing factors of each other.